Your YouTube handle is more important than you think. It's how people find your channel, mention you in comments, and recognize your brand. If your handle does not match your channel anymore, here's how to change it. A YouTube handle is your unique username that starts with the @ symbol like @zonic tag. Every YouTube channel has its own unique handle, and it's one of the easiest way for people to find and share your channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change your YouTube handle in just a few simple steps. So first, open the YouTube app and tap your profile picture. Now tap view your channel. Next, tap the pencil icon or added channel. Here you will see your current handle. Tap the handle, then enter your new one. If the handle is available, YouTube will show a green check mark or let you continue. Once you have chosen your new handle, tap save. That's it. Your YouTube channel now has a new handle. Keep in mind that every handle must be unique, so if the one you want is already taken, you will need to choose a different variation. A clear and memorable handle makes your channel easier to find and share. It also helps build a consistent brand across YouTube and other social media platforms. When someone mentions your handle using the @ symbol in comments or posts, other users can quickly visit your channel. Choosing a simple handle that matches your channel name also make it easier for viewers to remember your brand. If you found this video helpful, stay connected with my channel Zonic Tech for more Android tricks and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching.